That's a very important question that we need to answer with regards to smoking.
Yes, I do want to quit smoking, but it's tough to leave.
To quit it for so many years. Use chewing gums and all others. But sometimes it's time pass and sometimes it's stress relieving.
Yes, I have that bad habit of smoking, but there is no other way of living it.
See, the problems are always there. So I have not thought about leaving properly.
गलत आदत लग गई यार. नो आइडिया हाउ टू स्टे.
छोड़ना तो है यार, बट कैसे करें?
ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Work pressure, responsibilities, I feel like I should light up a cigarette and just chill this moment. Yeah.
Whenever I think of quitting, मन से ही आवाज़ आती है कि एक पीने से क्या हो जाएगी, and the habit goes on.
There's no other way. Whenever I feel stressed, I just light a cigarette. That makes me feel cool and all. So wanted to leave it, but what to do?
हो ही नहीं पाता, याद ही नहीं रहता.
Smoking basically, as you're aware, is a very addictive habit. So the reason for addiction are many. So why people usually find it difficult to quit smoking is because of two important factors that we have to discuss. One is psychological dependence and the second is of course physical dependence. So the psychological dependence comes in various forms. One is they belong to a peer group or a particular social group. Second is physical dependence. So there are certain chemicals and certain other basically excitatory neurostimulants we say that the cigarettes carry or other forms of smoking carry, and that makes the person get stuck to the habit on a day-to-day basis. So smoking, as you know, basically it pushes up an excitatory neurostimulant called dopamine in the brain. Now what dopamine does is it makes us feel good. So dopamine is basically a feel good factor in the brain. That's exactly what smoking does. So by pushing up the dopamine, and as an excuse to many people who claim that smoking helps them burst their stress, dopamine basically overcomes that stress factor. We basically started the smoking cessation clinic with the intention of helping these patients who are dependent on smoking, who come forward to us with a strong motivation that they want to quit. But unfortunately, they're not able to do so on various factors. The smoking cessation clinic at Aster is basically built on the purpose of helping the patient quit smoking.